Hey, welcome to my channel. Let's take a break from gunpla today and we'll look at this Lirly Bell kit from Nuke Matrix. This is the second mecha girl they made after the Fox kit. If you want to look at the Fox girl, there's a link below in my description. If you're familiar with these China-made mecha girl kits, you will know some of them have tight or loose joints and may have to glue some of the parts. This kit doesn't have any joint fitting problem, but I did glue some of the parts on the chest. This kit is available at USA Gundam Store. Don't forget to use my code when you purchase and get your 10% discount. Before we get started, I gotta show you this width e-reading lamp from BenQ. With this smile curve technology, it gives a wider lighting range that illuminates every corner of my table. It provides the best lighting when I build, read, or work on my tablet because it does not just focus on one spot. Less contrast glare when I read from my iPad and phone, and it reduces eye strain. My eyes feel less fatigued even after a long night building my kit. It's fully dimmable and have touch control and color temperature setting, a cooler lighting when I read, and warmer lighting when I want to relax. And one of the best features is the smart lighting technology. Just one touch on a ring and it will magically adjust to the brightness you need. Check out this width e-reading lamp from BenQ website at my description below, and it is also available on Amazon. Let's come back to this Lirly Bell kit. You get to choose transparent pink or blue for the armor parts, or you can also combine. Just like other mecha girl kits, you have to build the base girl first, then convert to the final version. Similar to the Fox girl, the skeleton spine is connected with a metal wire all over to make it articulated. I really like the color scheme and the design of this kit. The face and outfits are really cute, and the quality of the water decals are surprisingly good. Let me know what's your thoughts on this kit, and do you like the Fox kit better or this one? Someone told me the water slide decals are easy to break, but I really have no problem with it, and I think they're not that bad. You can combine the drone from this rabbit kit with the weapons from the fox kit. If you haven't got the fox yet, maybe you can check it out from my other video. Hope you liked my video today, and please hit the like button and subscribe. Turn on notification bell if you want to see more of my future builds. See you next time.